It's a pleasure to be with you here. I'm the head of the Do Cancer Registry in Besançon and part of the Francim board. I will present the organization of cancer surveillance in France and some results of incidence of HPV-related cancers in France, in particular cervical and anal cancer. Cancer surveillance is supported by population-based registries which record all new cases in a defined population. The definition of population-based registries is a continuous and exhaustive recording of nominative data concerning cancer in a defined population for epidemiologic and public health research by a team with appropriate skills. They provide an unbiased and standardized information and follow the international recording rules that ensure comparability of data across country and time periods. Cancer registry have the double objective of surveillance and research. For example, estimation of cancer incidence, prevalence, and survival. Evaluation of health program as prevention or screening. Cancer registries have a pivotal role in cancer control. The first French cancer registry were implemented in 1975. Registry Evaluation Committee was set up in 1986. It evaluates cancer registry every 5 years. French cancer registry joined together in a network in 1997, the Francim network, and 1 year later, all Francim qualified cancer registries gather their data in a centralized database. Since 2013, a multi-partner working program has been set up. And we can see that coverage of the French population rise from less than 10% in the early 80s to 22, 25 in the last 10 years, depending on the site of the cancer. There are 26 registries in France, 14 general registries, 10 organ specialized registries, 2 national pediatric, 4 general registries overseas. And they provide a centralized database which allows the production of epidemiological indicators. The 3 key aspects of cancer registry data are completeness, means that all incidence cancers occurring in the defined population must be included in the registry database, comparability with the use of international coding rules, and quality. The centralized database allows the regular publication of national estimations, incidence, prevalence, survival. You can see some example in this slide. The last update of cancer incidence and mortality in metropolitan France was published in 2019, and I will present some results of this study. The proportion of HPV-related cancer varied with localization, especially in oropharyngeal cancer. Because information regarding the presence of HPV is rarely available in medical records, cancer registries don't have the accurate number of HPV-induced cancer and can only give an indication of the burden of this cancer, which in France represents about 7,500 cases. In 2018, the number of new cervical cancer cases in metropolitan France is estimated at about 3,000, the number of deaths at 1,000, and the world age standardized incidence rates are 6.1 cases per 100,000 women, and the mortality rate 1.7. The decline in the incidence and mortality of cervical cancer, which was already very strong in the 80s and 90s, is largely attributed to the introduction of cytological smear screening. The analysis of age trends reveals a slowing of the decline in incidence from the 2000s onwards for women 50 to 60 years, with a slight increase at the end of the period. This may be related to a change in risk behaviors among women born after the 50s, with the use of contraception, younger age when first having intercourse, an increase in the number of partners, and changes in sexual practice. The screening participation rate plateau and the limits of individual screening may also have contributed to these effects. The net survival trend analysis between 1990 and 2015 shows an improvement in 5-year net survival for majority of solid tumors, but not for cervical cancer. The 5-year net survival is indeed decreasing from 66% to 62%. The decrease is statistically significant for women diagnosed at 60 years and over. The rate of screening is low in this age group, where cancer are diagnosed at advanced stage with a poor prognosis. Although it remains a rare cancer, anal cancer shows a strong increase in incidence in both sexes, with incidence rates equal to 0.8 per 100,000 in men and 2.4 in women. The same increase in the risk of exposure to HPV could also explain the increase in the incidence of anal cancer, for which age trends also show an increase, principally in women in the 50-70 years age group. French registries belong to several networks of international collaboration to develop research on cancer, incidence, mortality, and survival. In Europe, through the European Network of Cancer Registries. In the world, through the International Agency to Research on Cancer and the World Health Organization, with GloboCan, Concord, cancer incidence in 5 continents. French Cancer Registry have so contributed to the last study published by Marc Arbin on cervical cancer incidence and mortality within the GloboCan database. Thank you for your attention.